сейчас вторую виллу и все.
So the second one now, that's it.
Да.
Тогда предложение.
So with that, I have a proposal for you to translate directly to the Strela.
Прямо к стреле.
Okay, directly towards the Strela boom. Yes, correct?
Ты прямо проходи через катушку.
So move directly. You're gonna pass the reel, and then you're gonna be at the Strela, near the Strela transition ring, and that's gonna be your position for filming.
У нас сколько еще по времени свет будет?
So, how much time do we have remaining of the date pass? We still have a long time. More than 1 hour of sun pass. 50 minutes. That's great.
Принято.
Copy.
Видео с камеры получается?
Are you getting my helmet camera video, Artem? Yes, we are.
Вань.
Ivan?
Да.
Go ahead.
Вот на этом самом месте включи
Position yourself at this location, turn the camera on, point it towards Alexei, and we're going to start jettisoning ops. Copy. But stand by. Let me secure myself here. And I have moved over the reel. Copy.
Так, где Алексей?
Where is Alexei? There he is.
Тут один прицеп остался, может быть, имеет смысл в нем.
So you just have to swap hooks one more time. I don't know if it makes sense at this point.
Один прицеп карабина, чтобы
I was saying that you're going to have to swap hooks one more time to make sure that the boom is not in the way. And also, on my go, you can start filming. Also,
Алексей, все, приготовься.
Alexei, get ready.
И производи отталкивание.
Please release equipment tether and your go for jettisoning. Copy.
Глиссер включен, да?
Is glisser on? Can you confirm?
У меня глиссер.
My glisser camera is on. Copy.
Что, я готов.
Well, I'm ready. This is EV1. Copy, and your go for jettisoning. Here it goes. It's floating away. Copy. And it's going away nicely. Yes, not bad.
Вешай фал транспортировочный.
Alexei is
And flight controllers reporting a good jettisoning by Alexei Ovchinin at 3:49 p.m. Central Time, 4:49 p.m. Eastern Time, as the International Space Station flew 260 miles over the Pacific Ocean.
You can do that, and you're going to have to turn it off.
That bundle that was cast away by Ovchinin contained a boom from a gas analyzing experiment, 4 old connector patch panels that were replaced with new panels earlier in today's spacewalk, and 2 covers for an X-ray detection experiment that was also installed on the Zvezda service module earlier today.
Wow, the bundle looks so beautiful with the Earth in the background. Well, of course, we're going to review this video several times, and also we're about to start translating back to PHO, transfer compartment copy.
Я говорю, 8-й общий таск, а дальше будет одно из 2 положений. 9-й и 10-й.
Да, сейчас мы выполняем вот таск, тут 3 будет мультиджет снова, а потом мы перейдем на 10-й таск. И пойдем в точку к ПХО.
Принято. То есть идем откуда начинали?
Да, все верно. Выходи в СГ-2 и взаимодействуй с ребятами.
Алексей, начало движения манипулятора.
Alexei, the arm is about to start motion. Copy, I'm ready.
This is Mission Control Houston, 6 hours, 16 minutes into today's spacewalk. A good view of Alexei Ovchinin at the end of the European robotic arm.
I can see that the arm is in motion.
3 minutes ago, he jettisoned a bundle of discarded items from today's spacewalk that saw the 2 cosmonauts complete a variety of tasks, including the installation of a container with a new X-ray detection experiment that was installed on the Zvezda service module, the removal of 4 connector patch panels from 2 work sites on the Zvezda, and the replacement of those connector patch panels with 4 new similar panels, the removal of exposure units for a series of different material science and biological sample experiments, and the ultimate jettisoning of a bundle of those discarded items by Ovchinin just a few minutes ago. The one task that was deferred to a future spacewalk, not a critical activity, was the planned relocation of an external control panel for the European robotic arm. But that external panel would only be used for a very small sample of Russian spacewalks to be conducted in the future. Today's European robotic arm operations were conducted, as most will be, from a control panel inside the Russian segment. Today's robotic arm operator was Alexander Gorbanov.
Для информации, у меня видео с локтевой камеры зависло уже достаточно давно. Что на РСМЛМ, что на РСС.
Принято.
Алексей, промежуточную остановку.
Alexei, we're going to make an intermediate stop. Copy. The cartridge is limited. This is the message that